welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be swimming at the Worcester Gulf, and as the last video, you might recognize this pool.
All right, y'all heard it from the man himself, Luciano, aka welcome back to his channel, The Rise of Luch. And we are here at the Worcester Gulf, big old swimming pool behind me. We about to get it in. Y'all gonna see some of his dance moves underwater. Y'all gonna see here, y'all gonna hear a couple of his rap verses under the water. Hopefully y'all can make it out, or you know, whatever the case may be. But all right, you ready, fat man? Let's get it. My bad, ladies and gentlemen. He's starting to grow out of the nickname phase. So I can't call him Fat Man these days. So I gotta call him Luch. My bad, Luch. All right, what we doing? What we doing now?
I'm jumping the staircase.
So you jump in the staircase. All right, let's see it. Dolphin jump. Dolphin jump. I see you. And of course, we got his lovely little sister, Soleil Olia. How you doing, young lady?
Hi.
You gonna say hi to the camera?
Hi.
And what you doing? Tell us what you're doing today.
I'm swimming.
You swimming?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead and swim.
I want to get my snorkel so I can breathe.
You want to get your snorkel? Go ahead and get your snorkel. All right, while he go get his snorkel, I'm gonna head on over to the 3'6" section over here, and I'm gonna just, you know, probably dolphin dive. That probably look crazy underwater. What's up, baby? Yeah, we can get the camera wet. It's crazy. You want to go underwater and look at it? All right, here I come. Come here. Come here. Chicken butt. Do I want you giving me those?
Yeah.
All right, hold this. Let me put them on.
As you can see, my dad's getting goggles on so he can see.
So I can hopefully see underwater. I don't know which way these go.
That's
I always get them wrong. They don't look alike. Dun, 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 dun. What's up, sweet pea? All right, you got your snorkel?
I want goggles.
You want goggles? There's goggles up in the bag, sweet pea. All right, Luch. Got your goggles, you got your snorkel. Let's do it. Oh, you just cleaning them off? My bad. I thought you was ready to go. You ready? You let me know. 3, 2, 1, go. You held your breath for pretty long. I don't think I can hold my breath that long. I really don't. All right. I don't think I can hold my breath that long, bro. That's crazy. You might be like a fish that we don't know about. Are you a fish, bro?
Yeah.
You might be a fish. What kind of fish are you, though?
I am a breathing forever fish.
You're a breathing forever fish. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we now have a new fish species. It's called a breathing forever fish. Breathing forever. Keep that in mind. Oh, here we go. What we got here? Hey, we got the goggles, girl. You ready? All right, come on down. All right, you gonna? Okay, well, there's the stairs.
Don't get distracted.
Don't get distracted. Well, sweet pea, that's hard not to get distracted by sweet pea. All right, here I come. I'm coming to you. I'm gonna go underwater. I'm gonna meet you. You ready? And 3, 2. Oh, you want to film me? All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, he's going to film me coming to him. All right? Here I go. Here goes nothing. Bro, water got in my goggles, bro. Were you swimming? I know, baby. You did the same thing to me just now. What? Water got in your goggle? It got in mine too. Crazy. What's up, big guy? What we doing? You want to show them your dance moves, or you just want to snorkel right now? You want to snorkel?
Circle.
Snorkel? All right. Let me know when you're ready. You're just pedaling? What you doing? What we doing? Ooh. Snorkel, man. Snorkel. No way, baby. My goodness, bro, that was like almost a minute, bro. What? I don't know. We might have to get. Listen, I think we might have to take him to like a science lab or something and get him tested, because he might just be a fish if he can hold his breath that long. I can't even hold my breath that long, and I'm a big adult. How is that? All right, I'm gonna try that. Okay, I'm gonna try that. All right, here goes nothing.
Come on.
You're recording me. You recording me? You ready? All right.
Let's go.
Yeah, I can't hold my breath that long. It's impossible. Was it? What's up, sweet pea?
Can you help me jump in my goggles because I'm scared?
You scared? Okay, hold on 1 second. What are we recording right now? What are we doing? Talk to me. Talk to the people. What are you doing? Tell the people what you're doing.
We're going to do a spiral, guys.
You're going to do a spiral. All right. Everybody get ready for the spiral. I don't think they're ready, bro. You got to really spiral and get it going. Get the tornado. Hey. All right. Soleil, I need you to back up, baby.
And that's how you do a spiral.
And that's how you do a spiral. Let me see if I can do a spiral. Here. Yes, sweet pea. I'm gonna help you in just a second, baby. Let me see. You want me to see if I can do a spiral? Let me see if I can. I'm gonna do the new day spiral rather. You ready? Alright. You gotta start.
Just do it already. Just do it already. It's my turn.
Oh, my bad.
So guys, my dad is leaving.